Hello everyone, this is your card of the day. Let's check ano yung pinaka-message, guidance, or energy for today. Kung kailan man po makarating sa inyo itong ating reading. Ang nabunot natin ay the Empress. This card represents Taurus or Libra energy. This is a person, this is a very loving, very caring, very nurturing person. Parang ano siya, parang nanay kung mag-alaga. I think this is a good time na gumawa ka kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Kasi ito yung very fertile state. No? Kumbaga, ito yung time na mamamaximize mo yung effect or kung ano man yung magiging outcome ng gagawin mo. This is card ng fertility or abundance. Kaya, pwedeng yun ay paparating sa'yo. Excuse me lang sa kuko ko ha, bagong tuklap yung aking fake nails. So, yan, nakikita ko this is harvest time. And kung mag-harvest ka, bountiful yan. Ibig sabihin, marami, abundant. Okay, so may mga blessings or abundance na paparating sa'yo. If this is a person, this is a very caring, supportive person na darating sa buhay mo.